Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Haita from IT Sunday, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how to build a modern banking website. Of course, you will have been seeing a whole lot of scripts about banking. But today's video will be quite different, and the reason is because most of the time when you install this new banking script, they have this issue whereby Google can actually flag your website in the next maybe like 1 week after you install the banking script, or maybe in fact some it might even be instantly. But what makes this video different from all the banking websites you have been seeing is because of the fact that Google will never flag this banking script, because there's a whole lot of things that they put together to make sure that Google can never flag it. I mean, it can never flag it. So guys, so that is what I want to show you. And this is the site. It's up and running. I've been using it. Can you see it? This is the banking script, and so this is it. You can do a whole lot of things with it, and so this is a script that comes with a whole lot of functionalities, and this is the backend. Let me show you. The backend is just very simple to use. If you want to start a banking, you can come here to create an account. You click on this place to create an account and stuff like that. So why this is the backend of it, let me just log in. So can you see it? This is the admin dashboard, and here is the dashboard. Here is the user. You can see them, create new account, credit or debit user, wire transfer. You guys know what I'm talking about. Transaction. Here you can create a debit, or you can check credit or debit transaction, withdraw transaction, wire transaction, crypto transaction, domestic transaction, loan transaction. And this one comes with SMS store, whereby you will receive an SMS once anything happens, once you deposit and stuff like that. Virtual card, you can create a virtual card. So this is just it. Create a virtual card. This setting, you can do what? If you come to setting here, you can view your profile, deposit method, the method you want them to be used to be able to deposit money. If you can click on it, virtual deposit, a whole lot of deposit method. If it is crypto, you want them to put the crypto name, wallet address, and the likes. So a whole lot of things. So let me show you. There's still a whole lot of things. Let me just reduce this size to like okay, I think it's okay like this. So this script is very simple and attractive. It's straightforward. It's not all this nonsense script that you will not even know where to go. This thing is modern and attractive and easy to use. So let me just show you how you can build this kind of script site with just few minutes. You are done. So guys, this is backend. Like I said, if you want to create an account, you can come here to create an account and do a whole lot of things from it. If it's account ID, if you want to create, if you don't have an account, you can click on here to create an account, and if you have an account, you can log in here. So that's just basically how to go about it. So guys, let's go straight to what we want to do today. So I'm going to come here now is to come to here. I think this is a new website I want to use now. So I've created a subdomain that I'll be using for this stuff. If you don't know how to create a subdomain, you can come to my YouTube channel here and come to playlist. So playlist, you will see how to, you come to this place, web design tutorial, just view it, you will see how to create a subdomain there. So don't worry about that. And if you have a normal domain, you don't need to create a subdomain. The main purpose of creating a subdomain is because I don't want to install the script on this particular website. So that is just basically why. So without wasting much of our time now, I would like to go straight to why we are here today. So guys, let's go. Now if you want to create your website, the first thing you need to do is to come to your login to log into your cPanel. What is cPanel? cPanel is just a control panel. That is where you do a whole lot of things to your website. So that is where you can be able to install so many things. If you want to use CMS to build your website, you install the content management system from your cPanel. If you want to use script, you upload your your script or your written code to your cPanel. So that is basically what we'll be doing today. So what is script? Script is a written code that pertains to a particular site, a particular website. For example, if I want to build a site for like banking website, and I don't want to use WordPress to build it, I can go buy the code of a banking website and upload it. Instead of me taking much time, instead of me sitting down and be writing, cracking my brain to write the code, and I'll be spending like 3 months, 6 months in writing one code just for one website. Why don't I just go get the code and just buy it from someone who have developed it and install it and edit it? So basically that's what we'll be doing today. So guys, let's go. I'm going to come to my file manager. This is my file manager. Click on this file manager. Now if you are using a new domain, if you are using a new domain, you click or you scroll down here and come to public_HTML. that is where you will upload your script to. But if the domain, like the domain you buy is what you want to use, you click here and upload your script here. But if you are not using a new domain, you want to use a subdomain, you look for the subdomain, and the subdomain I'm looking for here now is what we call YouTube banking. Let me just check. Okay, the bank rather. The bank. This is what I'll be clicking on. I'm going to click on this place. So when I click on this place, you're going to see these two things. This three, because I've installed the SSL security on the site, so I'm going to delete this and delete. Let me just delete this and this. Let me just delete them. I don't need them in this place. Skip to trash. Confirm. So they have been deleted. So I will upload my script now. Don't worry, I will tell you how you can get the script at the end of this video. Just follow me step by step. So the next thing I'm going to come here, I'm going to come to the select file here. So click on the select file, and it's going to take me to where I have the script. So let me just go here. I think I have it in my download. This is banking script. I'm going to click on it. Click on this banking script and click on open. And click on, it's going to load. So I'm going to pause this video for it to load finish. So guys, can you see now it has been 100%? So once it has been 100% now, what we are going to do now is to go back to our home page. So I'm going to go back to our home page. So when I come back to our home page, you will see the script here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, click on extract. Where the extract here, your extract should be here. Can you see it? Click on it. And okay, where do you want to extract this thing? Just click on extract file. Now just click on close. By default, all this script is being extracted into this place, and we don't need it in this folder. We need it in this page. So what you need to do is just double click on this, and to double click on it like this. It will open all this place, right? Here you are seeing them. Can you see that it is thebank.asway.org/ the name of this thing, and we don't want it. We want everything in this place to be in this place alone. Can you see now? So but now if we search for this site now, we won't see anything inside it. So we will move everything here to this place. So let's do it now. Just select all. Once you select all, click on what's it called, just click on move. Can you see it? Move. And just where do you want to move it? Just delete this name. See now, and click on move file. Okay, sorry, move. Let me click on here and click on move file and wait for it to load. Oh sorry, my network is not. Sorry, I'm sorry, I was asked. Let me just pause this video and do my network. Yeah, my network is back now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on move. Can you see this move here? And I'll click on, I'll delete all this name here. I'll click on move file. So I'll just wait for it to do that. Can you see it has moved all of them from here to this place? So let me go back now. Back. Can you see under this name now I have all this thing? Can you see it now? So the next thing we need to do now is to go here to go and create our database first before we come to this include. We're still coming back to this place, but let's go back to our cPanel here. Just click here. You can even close this. Come to your cPanel main one here. Can you see now? Now let's go to our database. For you to create your database, you need to come to MySQL database reader. Can you see it? Just open it here. So what will be the name of the database? I will just use the bank. Sorry, the bank. So now use the bank. I will click on next. They will ask me that what do I want to use for my what? For my password. I will just come and copy this thing. This is what I will copy to use for everything. Asway.org as the bank. I will just copy it. Now the username I want to use, I will delete all this one. I will paste it here as the username, and I also come here and come and delete all this one. I will also paste it. Okay, now I will just change this to the bank alone. My username will be the bank alone, so that the username will be this one and the bank. So my password also will be the same thing. This one also will be the same thing. Now let me come here. I will come here, enter database detail, database details. I hope you are getting it. The password is this password. paste it. Username, I will paste it also. You know why the username will be like this? Come and look at it here. Let me drag this one to this place. Look at the username. Look at what I put here, the bank. But if they want to create it, they will give me this from here to this place, so that I will see the same thing as username and the same thing as password. So let me just minimize this. So the next thing I will do now, I will click on create user. So when I click on create user, it will ask me all this thing. I don't need to save it. I don't want to save this thing. Now the next thing I need to do is, can you see now, database username, this is the database name. So I can still copy all this thing if I want to, because I will be needing them also. But once you do what I told you, you know that the same thing, both username, password and database name, they are the same thing. So that is how you should go in anything you are doing. So the next thing I will do is that I will click on all privilege. So it's very, very important you click on all privilege. If not, the thing will not work. And you can click on make changes or click on next step. Anyone you click on it, you create. Can you see now your database has been created? Let us mean you now forget, you did not copy your password, you did not copy anything. You can see you can come and see them here. Can you see this is the username and this is the database name? Now you can now get your password. I hope you're getting me like that. So now, since we have created our database name, the next thing we'll do is let's click on tools. Let's go back, click on tools. Now you go to your database folder section. This database section, go to MySQL database. Can you see it? This one. No, go to PHP-MyAdmin. This is it. PHP-MyAdmin. Can you see it? Click on it. So once you click on PHP-MyAdmin, it will open this thing for you to redirect. You just wait for it to load and do everything you want to do. Now, if you notice, these are all the database we have here. We have Asri Bank, Asri Kinikan.banking, the bank, VTU, all these WP you are seeing that they want for WordPress. And WordPress automatically creates database for you, so you don't need to struggle yourself. That's why if you are installing a WordPress website, you don't need to struggle yourself to create a database, because they will automatically create it for you. So now let's go to the one where which is the bank. Can you see it now? Click on it. Once you click on it, you see that everything is empty. But if you click on banking here, you see, okay, no, click on this bank. You see a whole lot of things here. Can you see? Let me close it back. But if you click on the bank, nothing is here, and we don't really want it like this. So what we can do now is that we come here and come and do what? And come and import our SQL folder. I will tell you how to get the SQL folder. So click on it, import. But before I click on import, what I do is this. Let me show you. I come to this place. This is the folder I will be giving out to you. Can you see it? This is the folder. So if you double click on it, just double click on it. You see it is open. Double click on this one again. Can you see all this thing? Can you see here we have what? You have the SQL what? File. If you double click on it again, you see this is database SQL. So I copy it. Copy. And I come to my document here. I paste it. Let me delete this one. So let me delete this one. Can you see? I now paste the one I copy. Paste. Can you see this is it here? So that if I want, because if I try to come here now, let me show you. If I try to come here and I say okay, I want to click on import. This is import now. Click on import. And I come here, it takes me to this place and click on choose file. Now if I try to click on this one, this script, where is the script? This is the script. This is the script. If I click on it, it will import rubbish for me. And there's no way I can enter this place. Can you see now? It is rubbish. There's no way I can enter it to go and import. And this is not what I need. I need the SQL file. So I can just delete. Here, I can just come here, come to my document. I'll go to my document. And this is what I need now. I'll click on this one. I'll click on open. Can you see now? This is what I need. And I will scroll down and click on import. And you will wait for it to just import. Can you see? Everything has been imported successfully. Can you see it? Since everything has been imported successfully, we don't need anything to do under our database again. Now what we need is to go to your cPanel. In case you have closed your, let us mean when you are still here, you did a mistake, you close this place. How do you now get back to this place? How do you now get back to this place? Now what we're going to do now is to come back here, come to your file manager here. Can you see it? Click on it. Once you click on it, scroll down to the name you are using. In your own case, if you are using the name, if you are using the main website, click on public_HTML. But me, I'm not using the main website, I'm using the bank, so I will look for the bank here. You might not see the bank in this place. Fine, you will see it here in case you did not see it here. But my own, I've seen it here. Can you see this is it, the bank.affiliate.org. I will double click on it. When I double click on it, I will scroll down here. Now where we need to work, the only place you need to work is inside this folder. That is the only place you need to work. So I will double click again. Double click. When you double click, you just scroll down here, just come to config.php. can you see it? And right click and click on edit, and click on edit. Hope you are getting it. Yeah, that reminds me, I want to tell you something. Let me just pause a few minutes. I want to tell you that Jesus loves you and he has a good plan for you. Please, I am begging you, in case you have not given your life to Jesus Christ, please give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best in life. Jesus loves you. This video I'm not doing it for anything. I'm doing it for education purpose. I am begging you, please, you need Jesus Christ to travel in life, to make it in life. Everything I have today is through the help of Christ. And this is not where I still want to go to. I still want to go to the highest place in life. And I know I can never get there with my knowledge alone. So I need to rely on Jesus. I'm begging you also, please rely on Jesus. And he will help you in this week. And I don't know your challenges, Jesus Christ will help you, no matter the challenges you are facing. Thank you very much. Let's continue. So now what we want to do here is that this thing will not work if we did not set this database stuff. So come to this database. Can you see this database? Database username, database password, database name. Can you see database username, database password, database name? It must be the same. Just come here. Can you see we done everything at the same thing we they use? In case you are not using the same thing, just copy what you are using. Me, I am using the same thing. That is why I let me just copy it. Let me just copy what I am using. This is what I am using. The reason why I like to use the same thing is so that I will not be coming back and copy again, coming back and copy again. Just use the same thing. But in your own case, you can use anything you like. So I will now come where you see this hashtag. Can you see this hashtag? Just bring your cursor here. Clean the hashtag. Can you see? I've cleaned it now. Now paste your own. Ctrl V. Can you see now? I've pasted the database username. I've pasted it. Database password. I will come here again. I will clean the hashtag again. Can you see it? I've cleaned it. I will paste it again. Paste my password, which is the same thing. Database name again. I will come here again. I will clean the hashtag. I will paste the password, the database name. Can you see it now? Fine. Now the only thing you need to do is this webmail. Can you see this webmail? Change it from this. You change this webmail and you change this one. So what we need to do is that we leave this place and come back to this our cPanel and just go and create an email. So I'm going to Chrome here and click on email. When I click on email, I will click on create email. I will call it the bank. I can just call it the bank or anything you want to. Let me just call it support, or let me just call it info. No, let me call it, I don't want to call it support because I've called it. Okay, let me just call it Michael. No, let me just call it Jesus. Yeah, Jesus@affiliate.com. So the password I like to always use this password for my webmail. Anytime I'm creating a webmail, I like to use this password so that the person who is entering this stuff can easily know what is making it. So I'll click on create. So when I click on create, I will look at what is the name. Jesus. Where is Jesus? This is Jesus. I'll copy it. Ctrl C, and I'll come back here. Can you see now where they have this guy's name? I will paste my own there. Can you see now? Now here is the name of the website. So I will just come here and delete and copy the name of the website. So for you to get the name of the website, just come back here. Come back to your cPanel. Now here, your cPanel. Two things you can do here. You can decide to copy this name. This is it. or use this normal main domain name. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let me copy this now and come here. You know, this is my subdomain. This is my subdomain. Hope you can see it. I can decide to use this like this, or use the normal website name like this. Anyone you want to use, like anyone you want to use. So for me, let me just say I want to use this. Copy. Now this is not the best version of something, so I will copy it here. I will enter. You see that it will not work. Can you see nothing is working? Yeah. So what I will do now is that I will now come and copy. You know, this one I have HTTPS with it, so I will just copy it like this. You understand now? I'll copy this one and come back here. Now I will come to this place. From here to this place, to this Bank Pro. Can you see? From this semicolon here to this I did not copy that semicolon with it too. Everything inside this semicolon, and here from that semicolon, first semicolon to second semicolon, that is what I'm copying. I will delete it. Can you see now? I will now paste our own. Can you see now? Good. So that is all. I will now come here and do what, and click on save changes. We have not done yet, but if we refresh now, it should work. And if it does not work, we'll still to go and do the image. To remain one thing to do. I just want to check this. Fine, it has worked now. But now, if this thing, if they sign it, maybe they want to do anything they want, instead of them for them to be able to, they will not be able to receive email or maybe like SMS. They will not be able to do that. So for us to set that so that they can be able to receive SMS or email, we come back to here. We have done with this place, so we close this place. I'll close this place. I'll come to this place now. Now the next place, you scroll down here inside the same page. How do we get to this place? In case you don't know how we get to this place again, let me go back to from the basic again so that I can show you. Let me go back to choose. I'm just trying to show you everything so that there will not be issued. Just scroll back, come to file manager. When you get to your file manager, I said if you are using your main domain name, you will come to public_html here. Well, I'm not using my main domain name because I have another website on my main domain name, so I'm using subdomain, and this is the subdomain I'm using. This is it. I'll double click and I'll come to what here, include. This is where I'll come to double click again, and from here we do your configure PHP. We have done that one. It should mean what, FMTP PHP. So I will right click here and edit and click on edit. What you want to do here is very, very simple. All we need to do is to put in our email. Don't forget that our email is what we call the username, and our password is what we call. So the email is the email you created here. You know, you created one email here. The email you created here. So I will advise you, once you create your email, copy it and paste it, and the password, copy it and paste it in your notepad. So the email we created is Jesus. So this is it. I'll copy this email. Can you see it? Ctrl C. I'll copy it. Come to this place. Here, this is the username. Can you see? Change the email address. I will change from hashtag. I'll clean the hashtag and paste the email address there. What is the password? The password is from @org. Ctrl C. I'll copy it now. So I'll come back to my password here. I will clean the hashtag here. I will paste the stuff there. Can you see now? Now the next thing you need to do is just one more thing. Okay, this is it here. I think it's at the top here. Let me check. I think the host. The host will just be the website name alone. Website name alone. So I'll just, don't put any hashtag. Just I'll clean this hash and I'll paste this one here. So come and just take away this thing. It will just, don't put HTTP or www, just the name of the website alone. Don't put forward slash, I beg you, if you want this thing to work. It will be aswe.org. In your own case, maybe your own is bankofkinikan.com. It will just be that thing. Don't put www, don't put HTTP. Leave down. Just the name alone is what you put as the host. Hope you are getting me. So if you like, you can change this one to any name if you like. let me just assume that okay, I want to copy, but let me just leave it like that. You can change this one to any name you want, you can change this one to any mail address. For me, I don't really use all these things. You don't need them. So this is just the 3 things you need there, and click on save changes. Fine. Now your website is live. Now how do you log into the admin backend? Let me close from the one I've done before. You notice this is banking, so this is not the new, this is not what we're working on. Let me close out of this. So how do you log in? If you want to log in, just come here and put /admin / again, enter. So you take it to where you can sign in. Now what is the email? The email to log in for default login. The email to log in is support@dirtyscript.shop. Can you see that the default login? While the password is 1234567 Can you see 1234567 Don't forget, this is the things you need to log in for default. Once you now log in, you can change your email to anything you like. It's left to you. So I'm going to click on this support@dirtyscript. This is the email. Don't worry, if you get the script, I will tell you how to I will send this to you. So I want to tell you about 7. So I'm going to click on login. Then it's going to ask me, oh, your password is okay. Now this is it. Now if you want to set in your deposit, just come here, come to your deposit. So I like to reduce this front stuff there to 90. 90 is okay. So come to your setting here. Under setting, come to deposit method. Now this stuff is working for the kind of deposit if you want. Oh, my network is sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, my network is bad now. So let me just refresh. Okay. Can you see now? Now you can come here if you are using crypto. For this script work with crypto method as the banking, and you can use both crypto method for people who want to deposit, and you can use bank account. It's all depend on how you want it and what you want. If you feel like you want bank account, you put the bank account there, they do the transfer, you confirm. For if you want to deposit, if you want to use crypto, but I advise to use crypto. You know, crypto most of the time it's very rare to trace. It is only professional. Crypto wallet is traceable, but it's only professional, I mean expert. Most of people who are using crypto don't, I can say 98% of them don't know that you can trace a crypto wallet address to the owner, and it is only 2% that know. And I must be there to even that 2% that know, it is not easy. It is very, very, very hard to trace, but it is traceable. It is very possible, but it's very hard. So that I'm just telling you. So now what you need to do is just to come here, click on edit. So you put your this is Bitcoin, this is wallet address. You click on save. Click on save. If you don't want this, you can click on here to delete them. If you want to add another more again, you can come here, add maybe ETH. Let me just put this capital letter ETH. I can just put anything here. Let me put this small letter. Okay, let me just come here. Let me just come for ETH dummy wallet address. Dummy is something that is not true. It's just a fake stuff. Let me just come here. Let me just click on this, and if I can't waste my time here, I will just put anything there. Okay, let me just copy this. Let me copy this. I will just come here and put it here. Click on save changes. Can you see? Okay. So we have 2 wallets address, Bitcoin and ETH. You can add as many crypto wallets you want to put there. And now if you want looking for virtual deposits, just click on this place. Put the bank name and just say bank name Access Bank. Now let me put my bank name here. Bank name, I'm a fan of Access Bank. I like them. routine number, you can just put anything there. Let me just come here, just put anything here. Control C, let me come here. Now this is it, your routine number. You can just leave it empty. Routine numbers also mean a specific or a special account number. It's still the same thing with account number, but sometimes bank identify that one as a special one. So I can just come here, I can leave it empty and come here. I'll put my account number here, 005802755. Yeah, my account number, and I'll come here. I'll put my sweet code. If you have a sweet code, you can just say Access Bank. Let me just come here. I search for Access Bank sweet code, but it's not a must if you want. Access Bank Swift code. Just enter. I can just copy this one. Want to see? I'll come here and put here. I can even decide to put my name here again. I did that for my case. I added that for my case, and I'll click on Save Changes. Can you see? So people who have seen my name, I've created that. So I've created my virtual deposit like that. So I can come to my dashboard and anybody can register. Now let us mean who are a user now who want to register. Let me just copy this one, Ctrl C. Let me come to what is it called? Let me open a new tab, new incognito, and I'll put it here, Ctrl V, enter. So I can come here, I'll just click on bank. Let me put this in full mode so that I can see where we are. I'll click on banking. Now I'll come here and just put, my name is okay. Let me just do something from here. What is it? Okay. I want to create an account. I'm looking at what. Okay, let me just create a new account. Let me just. I want to create a new account for. Let me just put this name. It has me. I used this. I did that for Sunday. I did that for Sunday. Account balance, nothing. Letter of account, and just a savings account. Gender, May. Okay, let me add currency, USD. Occupation, web designer. I come here again and say okay. And what is it called? The rate of grade. I can just come here and pick something. January 2024. Let me just say my date of birth is 1998, August 2, 1998. Yeah, that's my date of birth. I can just leave the remaining one like that. My email, let me change my email address to, let me just use this, Ctrl C. Now I'll come here, I'll delete this one. I'll paste my email address here. Let me use my phone number here. Password 09025382271. Create user. Account balance 0. Let me just say everybody. I can just put 1,000. Now click on create user. Is this pending balance? Okay, I can just put anything there. You can put 0 there again. Let me change this one to 0. There'll be 1 error. I think do I need to fill out this thing? Okay, let me start type something. ABC. I'll start typing something there. ABC. Just type anything there. Account manager. Dio. Account manager email. Dio at gmail.com. IMAIF here. Let me see, do I still need this one? IMAIF ABC ACB. Just put anything here. 1 2 3 4. Account manager number email 1234@gmail.com, and I'll just confirm. Okay, this password is my number 0903538221. You know this kind of stuff now. The same number I use here, I become page user. Fine, either has been created now, right? Okay, I've even seen the email. Okay, I will click on save password. Let me just save it. Okay, now if you check my email here, I've seen an email coming to my inbox right away. Let me check. Can you see admin? Can you see all this? Email, welcome to link. You can edit this name and all this kind of stuff, but that's not the reason why we're here. First, let's go back to here. So let me go back to the new incognito and log in. Do I even see my password? Okay. I don't know my account ID. So let me just go up here. What's my account ID? Account ID. I was just creating this in rush, so I didn't notice my account ID. Okay, let me check my email. Maybe they'll send it to me here. So let me check here. Full name, account ID. Is there anything like account ID here? I can't see it. Okay, maybe I should use account number first. Maybe I should copy this account number. Maybe this will be my account ID. Let me come here. Let me see if I can see the account ID. User or user. Account number, account type, account status, action, blah blah. I think my account ID will be my account number. I think account ID should be my account number. So let me come here and I'll paste my account number here, and I'll come here. I'll type my number 0902538221. I'll click on login. Let me see, maybe I get it right. Oh, invalid login. So what do I did wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, I think I don't know what I did wrong now. That's why I should have paid more attention to all this thing when I was creating it. Is there anything I did not notice? Let me copy this email first. Come here, maybe it will work. Maybe I'm going to create another one, shall I? Okay, my account ID is 105 here. 105. My password is 0902538221. Login. Maybe I will do a part 2 of this video tutorial because I don't know why it's taking. I don't want this video to take long at all. So I'm coming. Let me pause this video. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I just got how to log into it now. You use the account number. Can you see it here? You copy this account number here. This is your account ID. Yeah, I just got this script for the purpose of training. I don't really use them. I actually use them to create video tutorial for you guys, and that's why sometimes you should try to follow us, like our videos, and do things, because these are what we do just to make sure we give you the best. We go extra mile to purchase script just to do it, just to make sure we give you the best. So please follow us, like our video, share our video. So you copy this account, and your account ID is this account number. Make sure you copy. Yeah, that's it. So I'm just showing you. So your pin, I think my pin is, I think I use 1 2 3 4, I think. So you come here, click on 1 2 3 4, submit. Invalid OTP code. Make I go see OTP code where I use. I don't even know anything where I use again. OTP code waiting I use. Then I'm with it now. I want to see before. Okay, the OTP code they sent to me. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I think they send an OTP code for me. Hello, I like community. Just log into your account from blah 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 blah. I no send code here. Waiting become the OTP code where I use like this. Oh my god, I don't even forget everything. So oh, and this video will not be sweet if I got it like this. Let me see. Okay, let me come back here. I'm trying to look for the OTP. You know this IMF code. This is the same code I use now. Let me save this again. Does it save? Okay. So let me come back to yeah. Welcome pin code. I think I use 1 2 3 4. You should be all these things. This thing don't even tire person. See guys, I'm coming. Oh, the mistake I made was that I don't want to cancel this video because I've gone a long way. Actually, I should have stopped it and go and recruit another video, but that time, no, Oh, my new code like this. Okay, make I put with the pin where I use current pin. Okay, current pin where I use now ABC. I know what do me ABC. Let me see, and they don't have ABC here like this. There's no space for ABC. Oh, there's no space for ABC. Let me correct. This is my old pin. Current pin is ABC. Let me clean them again. ABC. Now new pin I go change them to 1 2 3 4. Confirm pin 1 2 3 4. Change pin. Fine. I beg update them. I will come back here. I want to waste my time. 1 2. Where 3 like this? Okay, 3 4. Submit. God. Guys, I don't see like this. So Jare, I'm sorry for everything, Jare. See, this is my first time of using this script. I bought it, I tried it, worked. I said, okay, let me just try it again. So you can do your deposit transfer, wire transfer, virtual card. Can you see loan and mortgage, on transaction, withdraw, account manager, setting. Now, if you want to deposit, online deposit, you can click here. Domestic deposit, you can amount, select wallet address, select crypto wallet, Bitcoin. This is the wallet. For copy it and go on. After you type the amount you want to deposit here, like 100. After you pay the money, copy it. You screenshot. You will upload it here. Okay, this is a screenshot of the money I've stuff like that. And once you do that, click on crypto deposit. It will appear in our place and we'll just confirm it. The money will appear in your own place, stuff like that. Loan and mortgage, all these kind of things. Can you see it in account manager? You can see account manager details here and information here. So that's basically how to go about it. Yeah, I think my conscience has been. Is there anything I need to touch again in this video that I've not touched? Please, if there's anything I need to touch that I've not touched, you can remind me so I can work on that. I can do another video about it, but now I'll be stopping this video here. I don't tire. So guys, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. See, I'm very sorry for wasting you. I'm more sincere with you. I don't really prepare for today's video, and when I mean I don't really prepare, I mean I've not really checked. I just buy the script, test it, upload it, check the admin dashboard, check everything, and I think that is okay. I failed to check the user dashboard, and that is why I'm having this kind of issue. Well, I'm so sorry about everything. I am so sorry about it. So I will just be stopping the video here now. So if there's anything I didn't touch that I need to touch, please reach out to me. I will guide you on how to go about it. Thank you very much. God bless you.